Let's crave. Hey y'all, I decided to start doing a freestyle Wednesday, and this week I chose to make lemon pepper honey wings. This is my first time making this, so bear with me as I try to do this without instruction. For my chicken, I got a 1/3 measuring cup and I added all of my seasonings in there. I used lemon pepper, regular pepper, salt, and a little bit of seasoning salt. So for my flour, I went ahead and added some paprika on the top, as well as the remainder of the chicken seasoning. I also have my oil preheating. I use vegetable oil and I just flipped it up halfway to the pot, but you can use whatever oil you prefer. So I tested my oil to make sure that it was ready. Now I'm just going to put a couple pieces of chicken in there and I'm going to let them cook for about 18 minutes. Hopefully they don't burn, but I don't know how long we're supposed to fry chicken and I want it to be cooked all the way through. Alright, so it's been 18 minutes and I think that the chicken is done. They do look a little golden brown. Sorry that the light is so bright, but they look kind of good actually. I'm very surprised. So I'm about to just take the rest of them out and we'll see what happens next. Gotta make sure you stay super clean. I'm just spraying the counter down with bleach because it was raw meat over here, and since this is my workstation, it has to be clean at all times, and I'm gonna wash my hands right after this. So I made up a melted butter and honey mixture. Now I'm about to go in with lemon pepper seasoning. Now I am sprinkling the honey butter mixture that I made onto the chicken, and they looked kind of good, but we gonna see how they taste. These came out okay. It definitely needed more salt overall, but I will try this again in like a couple weeks and we gonna see how they turn out then. Thanks for tuning in to Freestyle Wednesday. If you have any suggestions on what I should do next week, leave a comment below.